Welcome to Office Hours. Today we're going to go over the basics of probability. Probability is the likelihood that something will happen. To calculate the probability, we take the number of desired outcomes and then we divide that by the total number of possible outcomes. An example of an outcome would be the different sides of a six-sided dice. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let's say we want to find the probability of rolling a 1 on a six-sided die. Well, there's only one 1 on the die, so therefore the number of desired outcomes is 1 over the total number of outcomes, which would be 6. So the probability would be 1/6. This equation works even if we want to find the probability of rolling multiple outcomes. So for example, if we wanted to find the probability of rolling an even number on a six-sided die, we would take the number of even outcomes, which is 3, over the total number of outcomes, which is 6, to get 3/6. But we always have to make sure that we simplify our fractions, so our final answer would actually be 1/2. Sometimes we want to find the probability of not getting a particular outcome. So for example, if we wanted to find the probability of not rolling a 3, we could either do it directly by saying, well, there are 5 other faces on the dice that are not 3 over the total number of possible outcomes, which is 6, to get a probability of 5/6. Another way we could do it is we could say that the probability of not rolling a 3 is 1 minus the probability of rolling a 3. So that would be 1 minus 1/6 equals 5/6. So no matter how you do it, you get the same answer in the end. Thank you so much for attending Office Hours. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell to get notifications when new videos drop. I also stream Office Hours on Twitch and on Facebook. If you want more Office Hours, please consider becoming a regular drop-in by joining my Patreon or simply buy me a coffee. Support from viewers like you let me know that you want more Office Hours, and I'm happy to provide. Well, thanks again, and I hope to see you around.